Guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel and just joining us for the first time, my name is Tony. This is my channel, TMogo116, where I show you guys everything that I do to my Jeep and how to do it yourself. Today's video is a little different. I'm not going to be installing anything in this video, not gonna lie. Let me get into it, tell you why. It's very hard to capture weather on camera, but you can hear the thunder. There's going to be lightning, and it's been raining all day long. With just my luck, it's the day that the new top arrived. Yeah, FedEx decided to leave it outside for me. This is how I found it. So I am not going to be installing anything in this video. It's more of an update video of what my plans are for the next 2 to 3 weeks, I believe. I believe in just 2 weeks, maybe a little over that, Jeep Beach 2018 will commence in Daytona. I will be there. The weekend before that is a Morris 4x4 Jeep event at their location, their warehouse where they ship all their parts out of. I will be there as well. So between now and then, we have a bunch of we have a bunch of updates going on to the Jeep. One of the main ones that I'm super stoked about is a new top. I currently have the Best Top NX Twill top, and I have nothing but good things to say about this. I love the fact that it turns into a bikini top, the front folds back, the windows in the back go on with a breeze, and they come off just as easily. Since I've wanted this top, I reached out to Best Top before I ever had a thought to Raptor line it. I love the tank green. I wanted a tan top. They told me they weren't coming out with one, so I bought this Trek Top NX in Twill. I wanted the better quality, I wanted the soundproofing and all that. It's great. Lo and behold, they came out with tan, so I did what I had to do. And we ordered the NX Plus in the oak tan. I think it's going to look great with the green. You'll guys see that in a later video. Also, the top that I got is the NX Plus, so it's going to be a little bit different than this. I think there's 2 less zippers, and the windows just slide onto some channels. I'll do a review on it. I'm not going to do a full install on it, just because I have a custom install going on with this. Being that I have the rock hard sport cage, like you guys saw me install in a previous video, I will have to cut the door surrounds and make them custom fit for my application. I might show you briefly how I did that, but Best Top did a great video about the install, so I don't need to beat a dead horse with that. Some updates that have happened on the Jeep and will be happening. I purchased the uppers for the JCR half doors. They fit perfectly. They're not the same twill material. I was going to spend the extra bucks, get the twill material for the uppers to match this top. However, I am not keeping this top, and I am going with the tan top. Best Top currently has no plans to offer twill uppers for the half doors. Anybody else that has a oak spice tan top and wants uppers, write Best Top. The more of us that request them, chances are they'll make it. But for now, they're just for emergencies when I don't feel like putting the full doors back on. Perfect example of this is for Daytona coming up for Jeep Beach. A lot of friends bring their Jeeps up with the full doors. They'll get there, bring the full doors into their hotel room, and leave them there for the weekend, put them on before they leave. I don't want to deal with that hassle. So what I'm going to do is leave these doors home, put the half doors on, and if need be, I'll put the windows on if it gets cold overnight or if it's going to rain or something like that. I can throw them on very quickly. They're not the most stylish, but they do the job to keep most of the water out. Some other updates. These wheels and tires, like I said in a previous video, I'm thinking about going bigger. Well, that's happening. I have a new set of wheels and tires getting delivered tomorrow. I'm excited about that. These wheels, they're in great shape. They're the Trail Grappler MTs, the Nittos, on 18-inch XD wheels. I've had 0 issues with them. I just wanted to go bigger with the 37s. And I have a friend lined up that will be taking these off of my hands and putting them on her Jeep. Now, this is where it goes back to, I'm not a millionaire. I don't make $1 million a year. The money that I'm making off of the wheels will pay for my steering upgrades that I need for the 37s. I already purchased a Fox steering stabilizer, the adjustable one, that will be going on right underneath and replacing the stock steering stabilizer, which has been doing its job with the 35s with no problem. But with the 37s, I'd rather not risk it. Also, the tie rod and the linkage and all that, I am going to use the funds that I'm selling these tires with to purchase the Yeti Steer Smart. That's what I'm leaning towards anyway. Tie rod and linkage and everything. If anybody has used them or has any other suggestions, please let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear what everybody else is running and what they're doing. Did I touch on anything else? I have the top, the wheels, the steering stabilizer, the steering linkage, the half doors. What else? Anything else planned? I don't think there's anything else planned yet. Oh, I have to cut the stock rocker guards for the Rubicon because with the 37s, we're not going to clear it. So we're going to trim about an inch or two off of that. Like I said, guys, this is not a normal install video for me because of the weather. I would be pulling the top off and cutting and getting everything ready. I'm just not going to do it today. I'll touch base again once I put the top on this weekend, as well as the wheels. You might see some filming going on. You might remember from an earlier video, I'll insert a picture now. So you guys should remember her from one of the Jeep Gone Wild events that I filmed that Jeep at. I called it the Showstopper. I still do. I love that Jeep with the Tiffany blue. That one is getting resprayed actually. It was in a minor accident and has to be shot again to make it all match. So you might see some of that. Also, if you want to see that Jeep or mine, besides going to the Morris 4x4 show, besides going to the Daytona Beach show, which only happened once a year, we do show up to the Jeep Gone Wild events. They have a new event listed the third Thursday night of every month. It's going to be held at the Carolina Ale House in Boynton Beach, Florida. I've never been to the restaurant. This is their first event at that location, and we're really trying to do it big. You guys should come out, get to see this Jeep, see a lot of other cool ones there. Siobhan will probably be there with her Tiffany blue one. It's a good time. Everybody comes out, they drink a few beers, they look at each other's Jeep. It's a great night. Be sure to come check it out. But other than that, also I am getting the Artec Weldon C gussets for this too, also to beef up the axle a little bit for the 37s. You might see Kevin welding those in for me. I don't know yet, but again, I'm sorry this is not a normal install video. The weather is not cooperating today. So I just wanted to touch base, give you guys an update. I have a lot of things planned within the next 2 weeks. And going down the line, we will continue to upgrade and move along just as the build gets more serious. I hope you guys are gonna like the wheels and tires that I picked out. If not, hey, it's my Jeep, I do what I want. Just like the eyebrow and the green grille. There was a large debate on the last video whether I should keep it black or go back to the green. I've left the green in now for 2 weeks. I love it. Also, I added a Mopar black Jeep emblem just to set it off a little bit better. Let me know what you guys think. Again, if this isn't your cup of tea, I understand. The next video will be better, I promise. Hopefully the weather will hold up. Rain or shine, things are happening to this Jeep. Stay tuned. Like always, guys, thank you for watching. Hit the like button. Leave a comment below. Let me know your thoughts and everything like that. And stay tuned for the next video. I promise I'll make it up for it.